Okay, so let me show you how you can go live on Poppo Live. Okay, so now you have to make sure that the bottom left tab is the one which is active. Then you check out the icon which is sitting on top of the bottom right cornered tab. Okay, there is that icon which is labeled as live. Click there. When you click it, if it's your first time that you're attempting to go live, there will be setups that you'll be walked through. Okay, so initially I've done some setups there. So first authentic done from here. Then you can also set up a live photo. So I'm gonna click upload a live photo. So they're saying your live photo has to be clear and it has to be very, very good. Very good. So let's click right on this sample here. We check. Okay. So I can pick a pic from here. Can pick a pic from here. Let me scroll down. Now pics are loading real slow. Real slow. Let me upload this one here. Click it. Then I click complete. So this will be my profile pic. Yeah, my live cover. Okay. Awesome. So I've actually set up my profile pic. So from there, you can go live for you as a woman. But for me, they're saying for me to be able to go live, I have to reach the wealth level which is greater than or equal to level 10. So unless I've hit level 10, I can't actually go live. But for you women, you can. So my pick has been approved. That's how we actually set up the live cover.